Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going over the Add Design button in the BES4 Lettering Software. If you don't know what BES4 is, it is a software put out by Brother for your embroidery machine as well as your scan and cut. Now, you don't have to have embroidery software to run the machines. They have built-in designs and fonts, but I will tell you it makes your life easier and allows you to get a lot more creative. So let's jump into it. We're gonna go to new design. Before I do anything, I always love to pull up what hoop I'm gonna be using. Say today we're gonna use our 5x7. That is not it, Holly. Okay, 5x7. We can even rotate it to get the size that we want. And I like to hit the Draw 3D button because I like to see what my design looks like stitched out. So, one option in your program is fonts. So we can go over here. I do have a design where I go over all the fonts and what the different buttons mean. But today we are going to go over Add Design. So, we'll select Add Design and then this box pops up. The first thing that comes up is the little accent designs that you have as an option. So you have some pretty cute stuff here. You can scroll through. They have different holidays. Right now it's kind of around Christmas time, so we could use the Santa, which is adorable. They have some cute sewing ones as well. But this is not it. These are not the only ones that you have. You can actually do this drop down button here. There's applique shapes that you can choose from as well. So these can help you make little patches. These are luggage tags here, which are really adorable. If you don't know how to do applique, I will be making a video on how to do applique, so make sure you subscribe so you can see that one as well. Drop down, there are cute little background ones, just kind of really pretty. These scream kind of wedding-y to me. You have borders. See what is going on there. Why is my computer so slow? Just a few different fun ones that add a little pizzazz. Let's see, borders, connectors. These are cute. They scream wedding as well. Designs, which is kind of funny because I think all of them are designs, but okay. There's some cute ones here. Like I said, it's Christmas time, so these snowflakes would come in handy. My little girl may like this. Emojis. Emojis are fun. These will make cute little patches. I can really see this like on a little denim jacket, like a bunch of little emojis. Emoji large. I wonder how large these are. Let's see. Oh, they're just same thing, but probably fill stitches. And I'll tell you more about that in a minute. Frames, which you can see a lot of the frames in the Monogram Designer as well. I have a video going over that one. Monogram Designer decor. So these are the little icons that are also in the Monogram Designer option, which is really cool when you're kind of stuck in a creative rut, and it's a lot easier to use because it will do it for you, okay? It kind of gives you the vision and it allows you to change it around. Split designs, these make really great gifts. The split designs, you have the kind of fancy ornate one or the block one, as well as numbers. And then artwork cut designs. If you notice, these do not look like stitches because this is for the scan and cut. So if you have a Brother scan and cut machine, you will be able to make G files for that, so you can cut those out. But the Scan and Cut also has a software itself that is free to download and use. I'll be making videos over that as well. But I do want to show you a few things that I feel that is important. So let's just select a random design. I don't know why I'm taking so long thinking about it. All right, let's do Santa because it is Christmas. So I'm going to make him pretty large. All right, and I'm doing this on purpose because I want to show you this. See how my mouse is not cooperating with me. I'm going to move the name out of the way. See how we have an issue. I'm going to zoom in. We have an issue right here. Okay, that is a break in the stitches. And here's the problem. So I made my design very large on purpose. And if you can see, his hat is all fill stitch. It's not, that's why I like to look at it in 3D, because it's a lot easier to see. All right, so his hat is all fill stitch, but the little ball right here is a satin stitch. Now this point right here is too wide for a satin stitch to go, so it has created gaps. So what we're going to do is drop down over here and find the little ball itself. See, and then we're going to go to the right hand side where it says satin, and then we're going to, instead of a satin stitch, we're going to select a fill stitch and hit apply. Now this fills it in so there are no gaps. This is really important for you to kind of look close, especially when working with a larger design, so you don't end up with any satin stitches that are too wide for your machine, which will create these really ugly kind of gaps. Another thing is, if you want to change the colors, you can come over here and maybe change the color of his hat. Maybe we're wanting a green hat. I don't know. Maybe you want a green Santa. I don't know what you want. Maybe you're not liking the color of his beard. We're wanting it maybe a little more gray or something. I don't know. My Santa's looking funny. But you can select your colors that way by coming over to the sequence view, selecting which piece of the design that you are wanting to change, and then coming up here with the colors and selecting what color you want to. So I hope this helps you when adding a design that is already built into BES4. If you're wanting to add a design of your own, then you would come over here to, let's open a new page, so we can go to file and then open, and this will bring you to your designs. You can drop down and look wherever you have your design saved. I guess the last thing I did was Halloween, so I have some of my Halloween designs pulled up. Go ahead and select that, and you can open your designs in BES4 as well as change the colors in them, just like we did with our Santa. You just select the color you want to change and then select the color up here that you're wanting it to be. Same thing, I like to look at it in 3D to see what it's going to like stitched out, and you can zoom in and out. If you have any questions, let me know. Just leave it in the comments. I would love to go over it for you. I know that sometimes when starting an embroidery, it is a little overwhelming, especially with softwares and things like that. So let me know if you need any help with anything. And as always, happy stitching.